What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. All right, so the title of the video is not clickbait at all. I wish it was. I really wish it was. But the other day I had one of the worst days I've had in a very long time. And well, today, hopefully not, but we may repeat that. If you don't know what I mean, it's car wash time. The truck is absolutely filthy. Cue the montage. And well, I've already paid for membership at this place. Might as well take it back as I explain what exactly happened. Sometimes people have dumb fears, like they're scared the sky is falling. Shout out Chicken Little. Some people are scared of cereal. I don't know if people really are. I'm just trying to get the point across that I'm getting scared of going into this car wash. I never thought I would be scared of something like this, but ever since the last situation that I'll talk about in a little bit, I'm fearful. I'm not gonna lie. Where do I begin? So it really begins on someone else's YouTube channel, Rob Motive. Rob Motive, the man, the myth, the legend. Rob Motive made a video on automated car washes, and I was like, let me take a look. Now, he made the video and it was absolutely great. It was very informative, great video. Rob, you're awesome. I was watching the video and well, he pointed out a lot of things that I already knew about, but there was one thing I didn't know about, and I took his advice. These mirrors right here, these side view mirrors, should be closed in like that when you enter the car wash. Now, so I did that. It was me driving, Sandy was the passenger, so I tell Sandy, baby girl, reach out, put that thing in. And she does. Bada boom, bada bing. I was in the car wash, we were cruising, we were moving, talking about the truck, talking about life, how life was great until, you know those spinny things? I'll put a little clip on screen. That thing right there, that is no joke, okay? Beware, be cautious, be careful. So let's pretend Sandy's my hand. I'm talking to Sandy, and then all of a sudden I look over, and there is something stuck. Imagine this is that thing that I showed you right here. Stuck right here, and I could feel my truck shifting. Like I could feel the front end over here coming this way. It was silent in that truck. I was frozen. I could not believe what was happening. At the end of the car wash, people greet you. Come on, bring your truck over here and we'll dry it. So they start drying it, they're drying it and drying it. And this side is nice and dandy. The person's giving me thumbs up and I'm all nice and happy about it until this side. The girl gets to this side and immediately gives me one of these. Now I get out the truck. I'm frantic, I'm peed off. Listen, Missy, I see you. I saw what happened. I was in the truck. All the blue fins that do the little thingy were stuck inside my mirror. So after that, I'm like, well, what do I do? I don't want to touch it because, of course, insurance purposes, I don't know. I just thought like, hey, maybe I should let them look at it first before I start fixing it because I knew I could fix it, you know me. So I tell them, hey, look, listen, buddy. This thing just swallowed my mirror cap. Like, what are we doing? And they're like, oh, it's not broken, it's loose. It's not broken, it's loose. She kept saying that. I'm like, lady, it's broken. My truck is broken. She was like, okay, fine. Take this paper, go to this shop, and they'll fix it. It was 4:30. I had to be there before 5. It was a 15-minute drive. I knew I could fix it. So I fixed it. There's a little bit of a problemo. The thing is, there's two parts. There's the top part and there's the bottom part. I'll show you now. This top part, absolute beast. It's a tank. I love it. I love you. Thank you. This bottom piece, absolute loser. All right, so this bottom piece got it the worst. 2 screws, one right here, and then there's a little clip thing right here. All right, so what ends up happening is this screw, absolutely perfect, A-okay. This one right here, not so bueno. This thing is pulled down, and then right here, these clips were out. Like it has like grooves that were like this, out. Hope you understand. So I take this whole thing apart and I put it back together because, well, I've kind of had some other issues on the truck and they got sandwiched on top of each other. So I was like, you know what? I'm sick and tired of people touching my truck. Let me just deal with them myself. So I pull up to a Burger King that has a lot of sentimental value to me because, well, I used to go there like all the time. Quick side note, I think they have like the best French toast sticks ever. Like breakfast time, let me know. Do you guys go anywhere like fast food wise? I think they got McDonald's beat as far as French toast sticks. I end up pulling over and Sandy's like, oh my gosh, why did this happen? And I'm like, dude, my luck is awful. I had not been having a good week, so instead of crying and whining, I ended up fixing it myself because no more. I'm not letting people touch my truck because they mess it up way too fast and then no one cares. I legit went into that car wash with some fear. Now, with all that being said, I will never, ever ever be folding those things in again. Honestly, as the thing was like coming up, you guys could see me recording. You guys do not understand how petrified, I would say scared, I would say terrified, petrified of what was about to happen. Thankfully, as you guys can see, we still got both mirrors, so we're straight, we're nice and dandy. Also, nothing to look at down here, don't know what I said that for. Let me show you guys what I mean about it being broken. So you see right here, see this right here? See how it's like perfectly flush? All right, so follow my finger. Keep your eye on the finger. Keep your eye on the finger. Let me know, what do you guys think? Should I take it to the shop and just tell them to order me a new part? I know you guys are gonna say to do it, but with all of that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know if you guys have had any scary experiences in those automatic car washes. I know I did. This was only my first time. I don't know if I'll ever like not be scared. I'm interested. Let me know down below in the comment section. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. 3,900 subscribers. We're so close to 1 million, and I'm glad you're helping me get there. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.